All right, I'm here changing out a gas heater to this electric heater. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through what I'm gonna do and then just let you watch. So it's this one right here, it's a gas. So first thing I'm gonna do is turn off the gas. Get in here, there's a gas line right here, turn it off. And then there's gonna be no gas to this apartment anymore, so they're gonna come out and remove that meter. And next thing you do is that you're gonna drain the water out, put a hose on this. You can either run it down the floor drain, or you can run it outside with a hose. Once you get that drained, you can start unhooking. If you're going to be doing it, you're going to be just unhooking it here, but in my case, I'm just going to take that whole thing off. So unhook here, and then you're going to want to take this off so you can use it for your new one, so you don't have to buy a new one of those. That's the pressure relief valve. You have to have that on it just in case someone gets in here and pulls this. You don't want that hot water spraying on a kid or in your face or anything like that. And up here, it's just unhooking the hot water side that's going to be coming out and unhooking the cold water that's going to go in. And then you just take this off. That I'll be removing because I won't need it, but you will have to put that back if you're doing a gas. And then you're just pulling this hot water heater out and then replacing the new one. I'm having a little bit of issue on where to put this camera because I'm obviously going to be in your way, but there's nowhere I can really mount it in here. So I'm going to try to do it from the side here to let you guys see. But first things first, turn off this gas here. Alright, I'm just gonna pull that out of there. See if I can put it over here. Put it in the new one here. Some water in the bottom. I'm gonna flip this over since we're not using it. Still a little heavy from the water that's sitting in there. I just need to get it out of here. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna set that back in there, and all I'm gonna be doing is hooking up that pressure release valve, which I'm gonna have to modify because mine now needs to come off and down. And I'm just hooking up these two wires, and I brought some electric wire to hook up this. I may need to get a breaker before I finish it. It needs a double pole, it's 2 hots. So just gonna be moving that back in there, hooking it back up. When setting this tank in here, just make sure you're setting this where it's facing out so you can access these, because many times you wait 5, 6, 7 years, sometimes the elements will go out and you can just replace those elements instead of replacing the whole tank. So it's good to be able to get in there and get to those heating elements. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut these off and get these longer so they'll go down to those. You may have to do this. If yours is metal pipes, you're going to have to do what you need to do to get that to line up. Using pegs, you might have to cut that. Do that there. Also, inside here, a lot of times you get stuff like that in there. I take a wire brush, clean that out as best as I can, and then just reuse those fittings. They make a tool that I can stick in there and clamp that. I had one. I can't find it, so I'm going to do this the hard way and hope I get it. But I'm just going to try to use some cutters and cut those. But it's going to be hard since I don't have that piece. Like I said, if you're using PEX, they make a tool that goes up in here and crimps this down. I can't find mine, so I'm coming over here with this. Just gonna cut it off there. Like so, and then I'm going to take pliers and pull it off. Oh, yeah, I'm just taking these and pulling it off. Alright, got that done. I'm just going to pull this off of here and open this up to wire a piece of wire up to this panel. And the rest of that wire will just run to your panel